calling Progressive. To report an accident or for help with a claim, press 1. For billing, payment, questions, or changes to an existing policy, press 2. To get a quote for a new policy or to buy a policy, press 3. For road... While we're connecting your call, please listen to this important message. We offer insurance by phone, online, or through independent agents.
That's
and
terrific.
Prices vary based on how you buy. We use information from your driving, claims, and credit histories to price your insurance. Accidents and violations found only through these reports can result in a higher rate than if disclosed by you. So please be as accurate as possible. Hold for the next available agent or press 1 to hear more about our information practices. Please hold while we connect your call, which may be recorded or monitored.
Thanks for calling Progressive. This is Damien. How can I help you today?
Hi, Damien. I was thinking about switching over to Progressive. I'm currently with Allstate right now, but I wasn't sure, what the logistics of it all was. And I just wanted to maybe run a few numbers with you if you could possibly help me out.
Okay, yeah, definitely. Have you already done a quote or anything to get the basic information put in?
I haven't. I didn't know if it would be easier to call you guys or if it would be easier to go online or I prefer to talk on the phone just because it makes things a little more instant rather than messing around with a computer.
Okay, yeah, the same questions that I go over with you, the same ones online. Whether you buy it with me over the phone or on the computer, the coverage starts as soon as you make a payment. So since you made the call in, let's go ahead and take care of it over the phone.
All right, sounds great.
I said you're with Allstate now?
Yeah, currently with Allstate right now.
Okay. What kind of vehicle are you looking to insure?
An '07 Honda Pilot.
Okay. And what's going on with your insurance with Allstate?
Well, to be honest with you, I'm on my I was on my parents for a while, and now I'm out on my own. I just turned 30, so I wanted to make sure that I was going to be able to get my own and get things squared away. I just got out of school, so that's why I was on their plan for so long.
Right, exactly. Now, with the policy with Allstate, is that one you do have on your own now, or is that one still finishing up with what you have with your parents?
No, I'm still with the parents right now.
Oh, okay. All right, no problem. Yeah, we can definitely go through and get you a quote for you on your own, and I can easily go over the coverages with you, what they mean, what they cover, so that if you want to do all that so that you know that you're covered adequately, that's what we're here for, and we'll go over all that information.
All right, sounds terrific. Now, I did want to actually mention I got a speeding ticket yesterday. So how would that impact the rates that you'll charge me if I change my insurance to Progressive?
We would just include it with the quote right out front, just so that we make sure we do it accurate and you don't have any surprises or changes after the fact. A lot of times, a simple, just a minor ticket, just one of them, may not have much or any impact to your policy at all.
Yeah, I mean, I got 2 or 3, but they were about, I'd say, 5 years ago now.
Okay, for the tickets, I only go back 3 years and 4 months, so anything older than that, I wouldn't even need to worry about.
All right, that sounds perfect. Yeah, and it was a 70 and a 55, so I don't think it'll be too bad as far as points and things like that. But
very good. Yeah, no problem. We can definitely go through here now. Do you know what coverages you have on your Pilot now on their policy that we could at least start that as a starting point and then just go from there with the coverages?
Yeah, I have comprehensive, as well as collision on it.
Okay. Now, do you know what deductibles you have on there?
I actually don't. To be honest with you, I'm one of those kids that, Mom tells me, the insurance is due, and I just send her a check kind of thing.
Okay.
So I finally, I said to myself, well, I'm 30 now. This is kind of getting this is getting a little embarrassing. It's time to get out there on my own.
Never too late to get everything taken care of, so no worries.
Okay, good.
Once we get to the coverage part, what I'll do is we can kind of go through that in a little bit more detail. Make sure that we get everything set up for you, so that we can fit it into what you're looking to spend, and also make sure you got the coverages you need.
Okay. Now, I didn't really want to get into the whole Social Security number and all that kind of stuff. But is there any kind of any caveats you want to tell me about Progressive as opposed to Allstate?
anything in particular you're looking for? I mean, I could go on all day.
Yeah, I'm sure you could.
But I mean,
anything
is there
that's
anything that you're looking for, and I can definitely let you know what we have and try to just make sure we get all that filled in for you.
well, at some point, I'm probably going to be popping the question to the lady friend. So
Okay.
I wanted to. How hard is it to get her on my plan? What kind of is there like I'm sure there's a married discount kind of thing. What else did I want to ask? Her tickets are obviously, she doesn't have any right now, but let's say she does. Those are going to be taken into account. And seeing that I'm over 25, I'm assuming my rates will be lower than someone that's under 25.
Yep. So starting with that one first, yeah, being 30, by all means, 25 and older is lumped into a completely different category than anyone 16, 17, and up.
Okay.
Now with the policy, we can absolutely start it up with just you and your vehicle. One nice thing about Progressive is that we don't require you guys to be married to be on the policy together. I can speak from personal experience. I'm in Florida, not New York, but I live in Florida. When I did get engaged, I was with State Farm. I wasn't able to add my future wife on the policy so we can combine them because we weren't married yet.
Okay.
With Progressive, that isn't the case as long as you guys live together, and if you guys have each other's names not on the registration, as long as you do where she's the second named on the policy, you guys would still be able to be on the insurance together and give you the multi-car discount for having you together.
Oh, that's really useful to know. Perfect, because that's exactly the situation. That's awesome.
I mean, that would be fine. And then once you guys did get married, it's not a discount that you get. It's just kind of a rating to the policy. But normally, once you do get married, your rate would get a little bit better. Just married people are looked at a little bit more.
Right. No, I understand.
So,
I
and you
understand.
can probably see a little bit of reduction in the cost of the policy for you.
Okay, sounds good. Well, to be very honest with you, I just got someone stepped in on me, so I have to actually get going. But is there a direct number I can get? I can get back to you if I want to set this up, or should I go online, or what do you think?
You can definitely go online at your convenience. If it's just go to Progressive.com. Like I said, all the questions that I'm going to go over with your phone with you, it's going to be the same thing you fill out online. There's nothing different that we do over the phone for you. But I can give you my extension, so if you did want to try to give me a call, if you were online, had some questions, or if you just want to get everything set up, 11:15 in the morning till 9 o'clock at night.
11:15
And that's Eastern time.
to 9 o'clock. And do you guys get any kind of spiffs or kickbacks
no,
if I?
Yeah, no commissions or nothing. So if I wasn't available, you just have some quick questions. You're able to speak to anybody in the call center. You'll be able to get sent to a. Now, what state do you live in? Is it New York?
Chicago.
Oh, okay. You actually live in Illinois?
Yep.
Okay. Came through with a New York cell phone. So yeah, anybody that you speak to will be able to help you. The only thing is because it came through as a New York call, that's why you got directed to me. If you do live in Illinois, can't do the quote for you because I'm not licensed to sell insurance in Illinois.
Oh, okay, I see. So that makes a big difference. Okay.
So if you do call in, you may get misrouted to a New York person who may not be licensed to Illinois. But if you would call an Illinois number, it recognizes the phone number and gets routed that way to the representatives. So you just might have to get transferred if you call back in on that number to Illinois.
It's my cell phone, and I got it while I was in school in New York.
Exactly.
And now
so,
I transferred.
Not a big deal. No issues there. We will have plenty of people here licensed in Illinois to be able to finish up the quote for you.
All right, sounds great. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thanks so much. You have a good one
Hey,
now.
no problem, sir. Look forward to hearing from you back.
All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.